What is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. We got some live action for you today. We're gonna go down to this cool little spot and practice some wheelies on the MT-09 and the R6. This bike is infamous for its wheelies, so I'm gonna start trying it out, see what I can do now that the bike's broken in and all of that. I feel a little more comfortable, you know, doing some hood rat shit. So yeah, should be an action-packed day. Gonna have some fun, try out some wheelies, bring you guys along for the man. It's a beautiful day in Cali. Nice 70 degrees with a nice cool breeze. Perfect day to ride and try and do some wheelies. They ain't gonna be pretty, so don't judge me, but I'm sure gonna try. Still gonna play with all the settings on this thing. It has lift control, so I gotta try out the different settings for that just to see what works the best. And yeah, we're just gonna get familiar with it, you know, fill it out, see what we can do. Baby steps. I ain't trying to loop it. Cool thing about this bike is with the lift control, I don't know, you know, this is the first bike I've had with any sort of tech, so I don't know if other bikes do it, but I know a lot of bikes have lift control, but it just kind of prevents you from doing wheelies. This one has a setting where it'll only let you get about 45 degrees, so no matter how much you hammer it or chase that wheelie, it's gonna keep you right there, which is really cool. I feel like that's like a really good way to practice wheelies and learn how to do wheelies, because you know you're safe. The tech's gonna protect you for the most part. I mean, it's not gonna protect you from crashing, but it'll protect you from, you know, looping the bike or, you know, getting too far up. So I feel like this is a perfect bike to practice on and get good at wheelies. It's got the torque, so it just pulls up on its own. You don't have to clutch up or do anything like that. So it should be fun. This is no way, shape, or form a tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing, but it should be cool, should be fun. Maybe you could learn something from it, I don't know. I'll see what I can do. But we're just trying to get some epic content out for you guys, change things up, do different things, you know, and I've been itching to do wheelies on this thing since I got it, so ain't gonna lie, it's a little frightening because this bike has all the torques, but it's right here, right? Okay. Ooh, more bikers. Saw it. Saw it. Man, this bike pulls so hard, it's crazy. I can't wait to get an exhaust for it though, it's too quiet. It's like riding a freaking Tesla. Tesla on two wheels. Just found a new channel name. Two-wheel Tesla. I don't like the bumps. There's like a bunch of grooves in this road too. Some of you OGs might remember this bridge, the 100-year-old bridge. There she is. Ugh. Ah, freaking bees trying to eat my ass. Alright guys, let's see what we can do. Spot's not as good as I remember it being, but see if we can do something. Getting up a little bit. Woo, that one was sick. Woo, that shit was sick. So the lift control is like working, so I think I'm getting a little too high, so it kills power or it cuts ignition, and then it brings me down, and then it hits power again and shoots me back up. Trying to find like the right RPM range to be in. That shit's crazy, man. Technology in a freaking under $10,000 bike. Shit's insane. Alright guys, we did a few wheelies, some decent practice, but it's just too hot right now. There's just way too many people out, and it's curvy and shit, so. Woo! That one was good. But yeah, we're just gonna cruise, man, have some fun, get a little bit of everything in this video. But yeah, it's a lot of fun, man. It's crazy the technology that this bike has for under $10,000. I mean, to be able to like modulate the power and ignition or whatever it's doing to help you maintain a certain degree of a wheelie is freaking insane, man. Yeah, I already watched some of the clips. Unfortunately, it doesn't really do it, the camera doesn't really do it justice, but it was pretty gnarly. Oh god, it's so bumpy. Ooh, ooh. Definitely don't want to be hauling butt on this part right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. And the nice pavement. With the lift control, is it doesn't let you get too high up, which again, like I said, is perfect for learning and stuff, and or you know, even if you're just getting used to the bike, because every bike works differently. You know, you don't want to loop the damn thing the first time you do a wheelie. At least I don't. Maybe when I get a little bit better, a little bit more knowledgeable about how the settings work and how to manipulate everything, I'll try and do like a little tutorial or something for anybody trying to learn how to do wheelies on the MT-09. Like I said, I'm no professional, but if I could get decent at it and feel confident with giving advice, you know, I'll definitely do that. So maybe look for that in the future. Trying some different settings on the GoPro too. We're trying to kind of get the best look and everything, so if it looks different, you know why. Like I said, we're just always trying to improve and make things better, and you know, all about that quality, man. But it's the best way to learn, just mess with stuff and test it out. That kind of sucks. We did a video yesterday. This one, right? We did a video yesterday, and it was pretty good. I liked it a lot, but it was kind of one of those things, man. We knew we were going to be coming back at night, so you know, we usually use ND filters to kind of make it look a little bit better, and you know, add some motion effect and stuff like that. But we knew it was going to be dark when we came back, so we just used the regular lenses. But some of the settings I have with like the ISO and stuff like that, I forgot to change. And during the day when we were riding to said destination, was completely blown out. I mean, it was bright as bright can be. Looked like you're staring up into heaven. And then the ones on the way home were like pitch black, so none of it was really usable, unfortunately, because it was kind of a cool video. But you know, that's the YouTube life, man. If your equipment's not crapping out on you, which happens a lot, especially with GoPros, you know, or you just forget something, or you forget to record. I mean, it's hard out here. I can't tell you how many good videos got scrapped because of that reason, but those are just the things you gotta deal with, man. But I just we like trying different things, because you know, we're both new to GoPros, never used them before up until, you know, we started the channel. Oh shit, oh, that one hurt. Up until we started the channel, so you know, it's all new to us, and I don't know a whole lot about, you know, cameras and, you know, what settings to use and all that stuff, especially GoPro. So ooh, popo. So it's all like trial and error, you know. You just gotta like test things, and you know, because I don't want to just set some settings and then just stick with those when there's potential to be a lot better quality and stuff. So yeah, we just kind of play with settings and see what works, what's good, what's not good. Love the sound of that bike. Yeah, just give you guys a little bit of insight, you know. And again, you know, if you guys have any suggestions, if you guys are familiar with this stuff, we got some pro videographers, editors, all that stuff. You know, let us know in the comment section down below. We're open to all and any advice, man. I'm not gonna shoot anything down, even if you're like, you know, your videos are dog poop, you know, do this. I mean, if you're just saying it just to be an a-hole, then I'm obviously not gonna do it. But if you're generally trying to, you know, help, then I'm all for it, man. Because, you know, I only have so much time, so it's hard to research a lot of things and figure things out, so. Alright guys, well that concludes the video. Don't think anything interesting is going to happen after this, but if it does, I'll be sure to show you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, as per usual. If you did, please smash that like button, really helps the channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We're growing every day, trying to build a community. And we'll see you guys in the next video. And if you have any suggestions for anything, don't hesitate to hit up that comment section down below. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.